Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to change your username on Snapchat using the latest updated steps. If you've been stuck with an old or random username, don't worry, you can fix it in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open your Snapchat app. Once you're on the main camera screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page, where all your account details are stored. Next, in the top right corner, you'll see a small gear icon. Go ahead and tap on it to open your settings menu. This is where you can manage everything related to your Snapchat account. Now, scroll down a little until you find the option labeled Username. Tap on it here. Snapchat will show your current username along with the option to change it. After that, tap on Change Username. Snapchat will give you a quick reminder that you can only change your username once per year, so make sure you pick something you really like. Once you're ready, enter your new username in the box provided. Try to choose something simple, unique, and easy for your friends to recognize. When you're done, tap Next or Save, depending on your